Oh, hello, Mrs. T.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're back in our Ferrari van.
We're in the caravan and we are going over to the dark side.
You've got a new toy.
I have got a new toy. And I think after spending the last 5-6 years of going everything Cadac, which was the little tiny barbecue, as our family is growing, I wanted something else.
Oh, is that why we had the board meeting to discuss whether or not we were going to buy it or not? Right,
But
okay.
I also wanted something else to go with the new static.
Right, okay.
Because we need barbecue here.
Right.
And I thought I would try a Ninja. Now, a Ninja is a word I hear everywhere, and it's all about air fryers.
Yeah.
But I've just recently seen that they also do a barbecue grill.
Ah.
And a smoker.
Yeah.
And it also has a little bit of an air fryer built in.
Does that mean I can have your chips then?
I don't know what you can have, but I'm sure we can make it. But the good thing about this is it's electric.
Right.
So we can have it here outside of the static.
Yeah.
Do a lot of cooking outside because we're always conscious, aren't we, of cooking smells inside. But also this is a little oven.
Oh.
So if we want to put some jacket potatoes in there, or we want to make or bake something, we can also do that in here as well.
Oh, great.
So this is, I just wanted to share with everyone, just unpacking it and what we got for our money.
Okay.
Because I think that's important. Because I know I was looking around to see, what do you get in the box and everything else. And I thought I'd share that before we go on and do a basic cook of a chicken. But the chicken cooking... The chicken cooking won't be in this video.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to unbox it and then we'll do another video just where we're starting off basically, and I'm going to smoke a chicken in the Ninja.
Okay, do we know how... Well, again,
it takes an hour.
Oh, does it?
It takes an hour to stick a chicken in there and put it through the smoker.
Okay, and we don't have to keep turning it like we did at the Cadac.
It's a bit windy, so bear with us on the wind. Sorry about that, everyone. Okay, so what do we get? I've unsealed it, but I haven't actually taken anything out.
Okay.
So obviously we've got...
This is just the basic standard thing, isn't it? There's no extras or anything?
No, there's no table or covers or anything with it, which I think it tells you about. So this is your basic sort of oven, air fryer, smoker.
I like that. Feed a crowd. Yeah. There's a grill plate, 8 burgers or 16 sausages.
There you go. There's the other things you seem to get. You can get a table stand.
Yeah.
You can get the grill cover. You can get a flat plate. You can get a combi crispy basket.
So I feel there's more accessories coming on eventually.
There could possibly be a few of those coming on, and then of course you've got the wood pellets.
Oh, you've got to buy wood pellets for it.
You have to buy wood pellets for it. Of course, that's the smoky thing.
Can you do it without? Do you know?
You can, yeah, of course you can. But there's no point smoking it if you don't have pellets. Otherwise, you're not smoking it with anything. But we get pellets with this. Okay. So I'm led to believe.
Okay. Right.
So there we go. As if by magic. So we've got some pellets to start off with. We've got all-purpose blend, cherry maple and oak.
Oh, they sound
and we've
tasty.
got robust blend, hickory, cherry, maple and oak. Rich and smoky, and this one is balanced and mild and sweet.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
And there are little pellets in there which are designed for this. The natural...
Don't let the dog get them. I think he's his dinner.
No, but they're wood pellets. It's all natural wood.
Okay.
With other chemicals in it, obviously.
Obviously,
I'm sure we're going to this. So what else have we got in here? We've got a little tray.
A little tray?
Yeah. It's obviously for cooking.
Is it? Hang on, let me just show you. I've got an instruction manual and a quick start recipe book, which we'll look into later.
I'm sure we will.
Yeah.
But also, which I like, and I'm going to show you right at the beginning of this.
Yeah.
I know it's electric, but it also comes with its own built-in breaker.
Oh, okay.
So I think for outside cooking, that is really, really good.
Yeah.
And here at the Static, we've got an outside plug, but there is an actual breaker socket there attached. So I thought that was really, really good. I think we've got a couple of handles here that will need to be assembled.
Is this one of the things where you look at it and try and assemble it without looking at the instructions?
Absolutely.
Oh, great.
Everything that a man has ever done in the world is try to assemble something without an instruction manual. Right. So there we go. So we've got some handles. And what we've got here, we've got...
What?
I think this is my pellet cup.
A pellet cup?
So what you do is you fill that with pellets.
Right.
And then you dip the pellets in the smoker.
Oh,
So you
okay.
know you've got a good portion of pellets for when you do some smoking. What's wrong with you today?
It's good to be back, isn't it?
So, there's my handles and my pellet pot. Mm-hmm. And there's the electric thing.
Right.
Now, da.
It's well packed, isn't it? Oh.
There you go. Gosh, that was heavy. No wonder the box is so heavy. More plastic. There's nothing inside that. It's not plastic actually, it's cardboard, so it's quite ecologically
Friendly.
friendly. There's the little machine there.
Oh.
How we can get this out? I'll tell you what.
What?
Pause the video.
Yeah.
I'll take this out
Yeah.
and put it on the table because
Yeah.
I think that will stop me swearing as I huff and puff trying to get this out of the box.
Okay. Okay, well.
There we go. This is one I prepared earlier.
Yeah, you didn't huff and puff much.
I
which is
didn't,
fair.
did I?
No.
So,
you got
we've got
under
some
the.
tape down the sides here. So what have we got with this so far? We've got that little dish, we've got the pellet pots, we've got the two handles.
We don't know what the little dish is for, do we?
The little I suppose it's just to cook some stuff in it. I don't
okay.
know, we'll have a look. Take that there. See what we've got inside. Oh. Okay. So we've got some gel. Fair enough.
Now, is that the chip thing? It is the chip thing. I've read about that.
Oh, right.
That's all I'm interested in. And then you can cook chips and steak at the same time. Apparently.
Okay, sure.
Don't ask me how. No idea.
That's for the air fryer then, obviously, isn't it?
I have no idea.
There's
Ooh.
a grill plate.
Okay.
And see, that's the bottom of the gubbins.
Oh look,
Cardboard.
hang on, that thing there, look, got a little hole in it, and that goes down the bottom there. So I should imagine that's your tray to hold your grease. Betcha.
So you mean you slide that
Yeah,
underneath
possibly.
there? That could be it.
That makes sense.
But they also,
Yeah.
I read earlier, put tin foil in there.
All right.
So always put your tin foil in your fat catcher.
Right.
Yeah. And then when it catches your fat,
Yeah.
you can then wait
Scrunch
for it
it
just
up.
to go a little
Yeah.
bit solid, scrunch it up, tuck it away and give that a wipe
Means
round.
I don't have to wash it when it's
Which means
horrible.
you're not scrubbing in the kitchen like Cinderella.
All the time.
All
Yes.
the time.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
now you
obviously
remember
down
that was a
there.
fat catcher now then.
Fat catcher. This is
Yeah.
obviously the
The grill tray
grill
thing.
tray, so that's
Yeah.
really good. So that would sit in there. So you could do chicken, steaks, vegetables, all sorts of things on that
I
grill.
suppose it's just like a proper little barbecue, is it? I don't know.
It is, but also you've got the fan. See the fan at the top here? So that's what turns it into an oven as well.
Okay.
So it turns it into, like your normal convection
So any
oven.
idea what you do with these then, and where you
They
stick
go
them?
here,
Where?
down the side here.
Oh yeah.
So what you do is you put a scoopful of your,
Can you take that out?
I don't know.
Yes, you can.
So you've got a scoopful of your bits in there.
Uh-huh.
And then, I don't know how it scientifically works,
No.
but it's all to do with, it then heats all those.
Yeah, and then comes out of
And
the...
then it pushes the smoke in
Boom was having
there.
a great time over there
Yes.
with the cardboard.
Pushes the smoke in there. And the fan pushes the smoke down onto the food and smokes it.
That's quite clever, isn't it?
So what I'm going to do later on is I'm going to spatchcock a chicken.
You're going to do what?
Cut a chicken.
I thought that was a
in-
type of chicken, was it not?
Sorry?
I thought that was a type of chicken, a spatchcock chicken.
Well, no, what I'm going to do is cut it open and just lay it flat.
Is that
on
what
there.
spatchcock means?
Oh, it does in my world.
Oh, okay.
I haven't been in the kitchens for years.
Oh,
but
okay.
There you go. And then we'll smoke that, and it'll
Yeah.
take about an hour or so, and we'll see what that's like. But then you've got all your controls down here.
Yeah. Gosh, it's very windy, isn't it?
Windy. Doing this at the wrong time. Obviously, you can have it on the grill, air fryer, roasting, baking, dehydrate, rehydrate, or reheat. Obviously.
Reheat, yeah.
Dehydrate. I suppose that's drying things out.
Yeah, that's
So
usually what dehydrate
I suppose
means.
if you wanted to put meringues in there, you could.
Oh,
But why would you want to do that if you were camping or in the
I
caravan?
don't know. We'll find out one day.
Yeah. And you've got a smoker there, and obviously your on-off button. Flavours. I suppose that's your
Don't know.
Don't know. I should imagine.
You're going to have to read the instructions before you start this.
Then you've got your temperature control, your timer,
Yeah.
and your start, your stop.
Well, it's easy enough
And
to
all
do,
the
isn't it? Start and stop.
instructions are in. Where was the?
I put it in that box
In
to
the
stop
box.
it from
Because I
flying
did
everywhere.
notice in the back of one of the books,
Yeah.
which was quite handy. Here you go. So if you want to have it on, let's say, barbecue smoke chart.
Oh yeah.
So whole chicken. So we're literally going to start at the top. Whole chicken. It'll be between 1.5 and 2.5
Yeah.
kilos. Season as desired.
Yeah.
190 degrees. So we'd
That's
set
the temperature.
190,
Yeah, yeah.
and it goes in for 45 minutes to an hour. So we'd set it for 45 minutes initially,
And find out.
and then find out. And the temperature is 74 degrees. That's the internal cooking temperature.
Oh, top side. Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
So it's a proper oven then.
So it's a proper oven,
smoke
or you can have it
things.
as a barbecue grill. It also gives you the air you've got in here. Let's have a look. Air fry. So if you want
Ooh.
to put it onto air fry,
Fish cakes.
fish cakes. There we go.
10 to 12 minutes of fish cakes.
Yeah.
Flip halfway through.
We've got
Chips.
Chips. Oh, there we go.
Chips as well. And chunky chips.
Yeah.
Kilo of chunky chips, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Flip halfway
In that
through.
thing.
In
Yes,
that thing, yeah.
yes.
There you go. So I think we're going to have lots of cooking fun with this.
Is that like the chimney then?
I think it is.
Do you take the chimney off or not?
Isn't there a song about that? With the chimney on me, who would be with the chimney on me? No.
Oh, that's back in the 90s somewhere, that one.
Anyway, I digress.
Oh, I've heard it. Oh, yes. Oh, doesn't she go, oh?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Anyway, we haven't even had a drink yet.
No.
So there's the Ninja wood fire with smoker.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have such fun with this over the next summer.
I hope so.
We're going to try and do so many interesting but easy recipes. So if you're considering on getting one of these, follow us
Yeah.
and we'll see how we get on.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's going to be mistakes.
No, really?
Yeah, I'm sure there's going to be mistakes. And one of the first things I've got to try in it one morning
Yeah.
is my pastries and my croissant.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to say sausages for breakfast or something.
Well, that's another day.
Oh, is it? Oh,
Yeah.
gosh, there's so,
and then I was
so
thinking
many
one day
things.
we could do a bread and butter pudding in it. All sorts of things, toad in the hole.
It's a bigger oven than your Caddock.
It
Well,
is,
than
but
you
also
tried
it
to do
means
in your
that we're not
Caddock, doesn't
cooking
it?
inside the house, which I think is
Although,
brilliant.
having said that, by the time you've got that bit there, it's not very... Should there be something else in there? Or is that to stop it from hit? I don't know. I'm just wondering how high. Because if you put that there, say, for instance...
Well, no, put that's your gate, guys. Here, look. I don't know if that goes. Yeah, it must go on there, mustn't it?
Okay.
Plenty of room, I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah, fair enough. I just didn't think there wasn't very much room up there.
So there you go. That is the Ninja wood fire, the smoker, the barbecue, the grill, the air fryer, all in one.
I must admit, I was very dubious, but you know, let's just see what it does.
Yeah.
See what you can do, and
Okay.
what wonders you can make.
And I'm going to be absolutely honest with you guys. It cost us £290.
No, it didn't.
No, sorry, I didn't. We saved £2.57 because you went
£2.17, yes.
£2.17.
I've got £2.17
So it
cash back coming back.
£287 and 83 pence. Because
Excuse me.
Mrs. Frugal here went through Quidco
Oh, yeah.
and we got a deal. So there you go. Please follow us if you find that really of interest. Hit that subscribe button.
Yep.
Follow us. Hit the like button.
Follow us and see what a mess we can make.
Yeah. But yeah, this year we don't get me wrong, we can't take an electric barbecue grill, smoker, air fryer down to the beach.
No, which means we'll still
So
have things down on the
Kadak
beach.
will
Yeah.
still be coming with us when we go
Yeah,
down to the
good
beach
point,
in
good
summer.
point.
But when we're here in the evenings
Yeah.
or breakfasts, we'll be bringing this little baby
Yeah.
out.
Okay, that's cool.
And I think we could have some fun and it could be interesting.
Yeah.
So if you're interested, keep watching. Thanks everybody for watching. We really appreciate your support, all your comments, everything.
Yeah.
Don't we, Mrs. T?
Yeah, and absolutely. And if you've already cooked something on one of these Ninja wood fires, please let us know in the comments so we can have a go.
Yeah, and let us know about your fails and your successes as well, because it's about both.
It is.
Anyway, Mr. and Mrs. T, here we are on Tin Tenter, keeping it simple,
Yeah.
keeping it
Real.
real, really. Thank you. See you all soon.